Lemon Lane Cottage. A few of you asked for me to do a video on canning. I am going to be upfront with you. I'm relatively new to canning. This is only my second season. I have done a little bit of pressure canning. Mostly I water bath can, so that is what I'm going to share with you today. First, we are going to head out to the garden. I'm actually going to can salsa, and this tried and true ball book of preserves is my go-to book. Plus, I have several friends who live in regions where canning is just a normal part of life, and they are a huge resource. I will leave a few of those accounts down below in the description box. But today I'm going to can salsa. I need more tomatoes, which I have been saving. I also today want to get some peppers, both some sweet and some hot peppers. Maybe a few more apples, because I am still going to whip up a batch of Grandma's apple pie filling. First time for me on that. That's not today. I can only do so much. So first, let's go ahead and head out to the garden. And then we'll come in and I will show you how I process. It is going to be another slow living video because you guys seem to enjoy it. And I know with all of the turmoil in the world, any little bit of slowing down is such a welcome respite. So let's go ahead and start outside. I will give you a real quick tour of the garden, plus a couple of squatters that have been on one of our window sills for close to a month. It has been quite comical how I've been trying to work around them, but I'll share more of that in just a bit. So let's go ahead and head outside, and as always, thanks for stopping by.
Recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come